The Champaign County coroner has released the identity of a man who died after a crash Wednesday night. This happened on Cunningham Avenue in Urbana near the on-ramp to I-74 East. The coroner says 35-year-old Hector Santiago-Cardona died at the hospital. Police say a semi-truck driver was turning left and didn't stop for oncoming traffic. And that's when he hit two motorcycles headed north. Another person was taken to the hospital from this crash and was treated and later released. Urbana police are still investigating the crash.